what is this? This looks like a fake boob job. Hi guys, so today, okay, we're gonna do a little unconventional video, which is gonna be super fun. I just received this and I'm like, I never really had like that much boobs, to be honest. Like, look at this, like flat, you know what I mean? Even when I wear padded bras, I never had like a crack, you know. And I was like, this is my dream. This is my dream. I have this from Boomba. It is supposed to give you 2 cups extra. And it is supposed to give you like a full-on lift, guys. And like, you know, lift it up, lift it up. I'm gonna be trying this out. I am super excited to see if it's gonna work on my something. I don't know how to describe them, but they are just on the side and they don't want to move. So we'll see if it lifts me up, if it looks great, if it gives me some confidence, you know, because we love some padded stuff in there. So it comes in this beautiful little box, which is super cute. You open it up, there's some instructions. You get the BOOMBA Inserts in there, which is so nice. It's kind of cool because then when you're done with it, then you can put it back and you can reuse them at least like 40 times, I think, and you can also clean them, so you can keep them very, very clean. Also, these are like $55 US, which can seem like a lot, but if you don't use them like every single day, they can be worth it if you're just going out with them. And it is like super sticky, and it is sticky like this on both sides, so it does stick to your clothes and then it stucks to your boob as well. So how it works is that you have this shape right here. This goes on the exterior, let's say here, of your boob, and then this goes, your boob like literally goes here, and then it's supposed to lift up your boob. And then so that's what I'm gonna do without showing you guys anything. Oh my god, I never had this before. It took me a little bit of time to place it on because I'm not really used to it, but you really have to scoop like as much as possible, and then it sticks to your clothes, it sticks to your skin, and it does not move. Like, I could do anything and it does not move. We can go dancing. This is really exciting, and especially for the price, I feel like it's not too bad and it's reusable. Like, I had other ones before, something like this, you know, like the tissue one with the sticky stuff on the inside, and honestly, I don't really like it that much compared to this. This is like literally revolutionary. It works. And also, one thing that is great about this is that it is waterproof, and you're going to the beach, you can go in the water and it stays there. This is crazy, you guys. Waterproof is amazing. It looks great. And I feel like now I want to try it with a sports bra. So I have a sports bra right here, a pink one. It is one of my favorite sports bra. Super nice. I just go to the gym like this. But I mean, if you want to go out and like have the gym look and have a little bit perk here, I would say, you know, goodies, as you would say, goodies at the front. I feel like if you try to put these on, it's going to be amazing. So let me try again. And I just removed it from my shirt, and there's no black stuff, nothing on there. It is still looks clean. It is really, really sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna place it first and then I'm gonna scoop. Like, what is this? Like, you guys, I've never had boobs like this before. I'm like, this looks like a fake boob job. It's crazy. Look at this compared to before. Like, I like before too, but like, look, and it doesn't look unnatural either when you have it on the side. It looks like it's your boobs. Oh my god. Okay, this okay, I don't know what to think anymore. Guys, this is the best stick-ons I've ever tried before. Like, making sure nothing moves, you know. We're gonna do some jumping jacks. Oh, I look like I'm in some kind of movie, you know, like it's emphasis on the thing. Oh my god. Okay, nothing's moving. It's still sticking, still there. And I feel like you can kind of like make it if you have a smaller boob. Like, I have, my right boob is smaller than my left boob, and I feel like there is almost no disparity whatsoever now in my boobs because I can kind of lift one up higher than the other and they look the same. And we're talking about boobs today, okay? So this, if you're looking to have like a really nice fake boob job, this is definitely it. And like I said, it is waterproof, so I haven't tested that out yet, but honestly, it's not moving. It's not moving, and I'm not sweating. If I unstick it, restick it, it doesn't move as much, but it is amazing. There's 4 colors. I decided to take the color beige. The sand color is paler than this one. So if you're paler than me right now, I'm pretty pale, you know, let's be honest. But you can take the other one. There's also caramel and there's cocoa, which these ones are a little bit more darker than the ones that I currently have. Oh, also you guys, there are some information that is great to know. It's also on the website, but it's not intended for people that have really sensitive or thin skin. So make sure, like, if you have wounds or stuff, don't use that. Or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. So don't use this if you are breastfeeding or pregnant. It's really important to not be using this. So that's what they say. And it says that BOOMBA inserts are supported by the clothing and cannot stay up by themselves. It is crucial to wear them in a tight, structured, and fitted tops. That's why, you know, sports bras, the other top that I showed you guys before, was structured and robust, and it's gonna give you like a nice lift. So I haven't tried it with like a loose top because I'm following the instructions, but I guess it's not gonna give us as much life as it's giving us right now. So but yeah, and also it's really easy on the website to like find your size. They ask you for your regular bra size and then they tell you which one is best for you. What I like is that if you don't like this one, there are other, you know, inserts that you can look at. They are dummy boosts, and it is mostly at the bottom just to lift it up. Me, I really wanted something to stick my boobs together, and this one, the Ultra Boost, is what it's gonna give you. It's gonna give you this if you've never had this before. Like, this is what it gives you. Does it give 2 extra sizes? Yeah, and they're saying also that it's for weddings. Like, if you want to have like a really perky and beautiful boobs on your wedding, I feel like this is definitely it. This is it. This is it. So I highly recommend this, you guys. If you want to get, you know, the best inserts, this is it. And I just want to say thank you to BOOMBA for sending me this product. Honestly, I was so surprised. This review is entirely my own. I just love it so much. I will be wearing this a lot, a whole lot, just because I feel like it's giving me life. It's giving me life where I don't have any. So anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this review and this video. And if you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for some content. Sometimes weird, you know, but we test some beauty products to make sure that, you know, testing those beauty products to feel good. If you like this, make sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe for some content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and some more. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.